Just checking the audio and video voice of the stream. It is well or not. Then after that we are going to discuss about today's agenda and the other stuff. Just a second, I'm just checking. Session is started. I am just checking the audio. Give me a second. Just a second. I'm just checking. I think voice coming well. Session is started. I am just checking the audio. Okay, give me a second. Voice coming well. And now we are going to discuss about today's agenda. And in previous stream, we are discuss about some basic stuffs of UI design. And now today we are going to know about the prototyping stuffs. Um, like this is the inspiration for today's design. Just the landing page. Okay, just see the landing page prototype. I am sharing again this. Okay, and this is the agenda of today's meeting, and there is no so complex stuff. So before starting, I just let you know the design structure of this. This is our inspiration page, and this is our design page. Okay, quite similar. Just I used four images, and gaps are low. For the logo purpose, I just prepared the placeholder and other stuff. I used the center aligned navigation bar. Here is the left aligned. It's up to you, and basic structure of the design you can create easily. All the stuff. If you need this design part, I will surely share you. Then after that, the prototype stuffs come. I just downloaded a normal Google images for the image inspiration. That's why the quality may be not up to the mark of some images. So our important next thing is the prototype. I just first share you the design, and then um, like going to explain in detail about the prototype of this file. If you need the design file, just comment, and I will surely share you the design file. Okay, this is the prototype, like how it is going to work. Like when I am moving to the one part, like this is the basic animation, and I use 600 millisecond smart animation just to see how it is going to work, and ease in and ease out stuff like this. Okay, now let's break down this design. uh, j- I avoid the live design just to save the time first, and second is when lots of stuffs in the live stream, then the system start lagging, and this is the issue in the obvious. So let's see the prototype. I designed the first part like this, and different version like four variant of this. I created this one, and four variant of that, total five component. Okay, in first, I merge these two, then like this. You just see the part. First I remove the prototype so that you can understand the design part first. I just share you the one example of this, like this. Okay, this is the original image, and I created this as a component. Then after that, and just enable the clip content. Okay, clip content of the frame, it is very important. Just enable this, because if you not enable this, just see what happened. I am not enabling the create content, and if okay, I am not able to change the like sizes. The reason is the simple. It is a component. So in the component you can't edit the things. First uncomponent and create all the 5 steps, then convert this into the variant. Let's uncomponent this, and you can clearly see the system start lagging. This is the reason I avoid live streaming design. First, enable the clip content. First, I will show you what is the reason of the clip content enabling. Like use the ruler part to mark the this. Okay, I have to move this part to till this ruler. Okay, when I in disable the clip content, you can clearly see this part is also visible, but we don't need this. That's why we enable the clip content. After enabling the clip content, this part gets removed. Okay, similarly, let's control Z. Similarly, you can improve this by holding the control button. Okay, just remove this and move the image from here according to your requirement, like this. Okay, and adjust the clip content. So that this is the stuff, this is the simple. And then prototype, let's show you. Let's break down the prototype of this. While hovering the first image, it's redirected to this, second redirected to this, like this, all the stuff. And I am sharing you the details. While hovering this, change to variant 2, and I use the 600 smart animation and ease in and ease out. The reason is that I like, if I move the cursor, you can clearly see 600 millisecond. Okay, that's why you can easily see the animation part, and ease in and ease it out, like while I move the cursor outside, but it is go like smoothly. That's why ease in and ease out is important, like this. Simply, okay, no rocket science. It's very simple. You can just achieve it in like 30 minutes. You can create all this stuff in 30 minutes, not more than the 30 minutes. So this is our basic agenda, but not our stream is not too small. That's why let's discuss some more stuff in the animation prototype stuff. Just open the Pinterest and now let's explore some designs and break down. Okay, let's break down this design. Okay, so what is the aim of to break down this? This is not any breakdown. Uh, the design is center, hero section is center, relying the content and images are very fair. So, what I am thinking that when we are moving the cursor to the images, like these images, the text comes, and when if cursor is outside, the text is only image is visible. Okay, I am thinking like this for the animation purpose. So for this, let's create an artboard. Make the artboard little dull, not too much, like this. And let's create two rectangle. I'm not going to recreate all the stuff because system start lagging. Only the two parts is important, like this. Making the round corner of 16 refer of this. Make the color like this. Okay, and write some text. T5% like this here. Our main animation comes in this. So for some put images here, I just use some random image from Pinterest. Like I use this image. You can also create this type of image using the prompt, ChatGPT prompts. And now we use, and I put some stroke just to highlight the stuff, and also increase the size of image for clear visibility. Like this. Okay, so only two things in the image, so maybe increase the size like this. Okay, first is let's create the component. Okay, now create a variant. Okay, variant is created. Now we are going to add some stuffs like here is okay, text. Reduce the size of the text, like let's 20, and I think like this. Here is me. Just check it out. To content, let's reduce the height like this 16. I think 16 is sufficient, and just check it out, maybe underline and reduce the size and reduce the boldness of these lines. Control V. Okay, and again reduce the content height and make the text related to the green, and this is just for the styling purpose. You can use any. I think you can use the light colors like this. Now add a color in the rectangle. Let's add a color of black color and increase the opacity of black. Like I think this is sufficient. Okay, here is, check it out. Okay, like this. Variant 1, and let's prototype this. While hovering in variant 1, change to variant 2, not on click, it's while hovering, not instead. Smart animation, ease in, ease out, and time 600 ms. Generally put 3 400, around 300 400. I am just uh, making the 600 because you can clearly see the animation, because there is lagging in the stream. So if this is not available, maybe you can not clearly see. That's why I make the smart animation timing 600 millisecond. This is the reason. Now I am presenting the prototype. Maybe I not work in the first time, but let's try. Just check the prototype. Let's remove this and again copy this. Use this here. Before presenting, let's preview this. Okay, it's working. Now it's working. Okay, there is some lagging. That's why it is. I put the 600 millisecond. That's why it is taking too much time. And is in is out. Okay, so I think reduce the time. Not 600 millisecond. Or not only is out is okay, and make it like 400 millisecond. Okay, so when I move the instantly gets changed, and I think black color 60 percent is very dominating. Let's reduce this to 30%. Okay, okay, you can clearly see it look like a link. Let's see here. Okay, it look like a link, but here is me is not clearly visible, so just increase 20% more black color. Design is always a hit and trial, and you can adjust the color. Typography is up to you. Like this is the live prototype. We get the inspiration from the Pinterest and prepared according to. Now you can create all the stuff and put this type of effect in all the, so making your overall experience in the UI as well as in UX better. So that's all for the today stream. Hope you love the concept of this small improvement in daily basis. um, if you have any query, just ask me. So let's stop the stream for today. And if you need the design file, just comment in the chat box, and I will surely let you share you the file. Bye.